Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Building Conduit using ClojureScript. So in the last episode we looked at how we could do HTTP post request using CLJS Ajax library, but we haven't connected the function with the component itself. So in this video what we will do is we will use the function that we wrote in the previous episode, and we will implement the registration functionality. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, we are in the register page. First step is to declare the initial state, which will be the username, email and password, and for now it'll just be empty string. We also need to declare a state, which will be reagent atom, and we need to pass initial state as the argument. And next we are going to convert the register page into a form2 component so that we can update the state and not re-render the state. And we also need to pass the value to each of the input elements, the username, email and password, as well as the onChange function that updates the properties of each state, so the username, email and password. So let's do that. Once we have updated everything, it's time to test to see everything works or not. So what we will do is we'll open the console and see everything works or not. So if you look at right now, if we log in using some credentials, let's handle the error case first. So as you can see right now, we are just logging the error response. So instead of logging, we have to create a reagent atom to capture the error state. So in the auth namespace, let's do that in line number 23. And we will also need to create a function that captures the error object, and we have to reset the error state, and we'll name it auth error. Now we're going to replace the error handler for both login, register and me function, and we're going to use the new function that we just wrote. Now let's test the so as you can see, we have captured the error message. So what we want to do is we want to destructure the response from the errors from the response, and we're just going to reset the errors. And now we have a map that stores all the error messages. Next, we're going to look at how we're going to display this error message in the component itself. So we're going to create a new component called the list errors, and this list error is going to accept error state. And when there's an error, we're going to show some message that we just saw on the error object.